Hey, what's up, you guys? My name is Larry Thomas, you guys. Welcome to this channel where we'll be talking about videography and photography. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so at this time, you guys. All right, today, man, I want to talk about the top mistakes I made as a videographer, as a beginner, videographer. Let's get right into it, you guys. All right, the first mistake, I want to say not enough lighting. I didn't know anything about no lighting when I was shooting content. It was so dark. The footage was crazy. Didn't know how to nothing about I didn't know anything about that, you guys. And matter of fact, I didn't have a camera that you can turn the lighting up on. You just had to point and shoot, and it was crazy, man. The footage I thought was great at the time. I look back at it now, I'm like, man, what was I doing? But you learn. You have to start somewhere. All right. The second mistake I made: not enough memory. My memory card ran out. I didn't have enough memory. I was getting those low gigabyte memory cards, and those the cheap ones that took forever to upload. If you guys know, I know you guys. If you have experienced that, man, I know you know exactly what I'm talking about, man. Them low quality memory cards take forever for you to upload some footage. Yeah, so you have to work with something though when I first started. So yeah, next thing I would say, not in focus, man. I do this sometimes now. I don't have my autofocus on, and I shoot all my footage, but thank God I got a camera now where I can see myself. So I know it's something out of focus. But yeah, I used to shoot some footage and it used to be out of focus, and the next thing you know, I got to shoot this all over. And sometimes I didn't shoot it over because I was like, man, I'm wore out now. But yeah, being in focus, make sure you check your focus. Don't make that mistake, man. Especially if you're at a wedding or something, or doing a video for somebody else and you get paid for it. Make sure your autofocus is on, or manual focus. Depends on how good you are with your camera. But yeah, next thing I would say, didn't press record. I know I still do this today. Not press record. I've been shot all this footage and I'm like, I wasn't even recording that. What I supposed to do now? Shoot it again. That's all you can do. That's the only thing you could do. It's the only solution for it. Record it again. And most of the time it'd be better than you shot it. So better than you thought you shot it. All right, so then the next things I was making these crazy transitions, putting out these crazy transitions on videos that didn't really make sense to me. I'd be like, why am I doing all this crazy stuff? Man, it don't really take much to get, attractive to attract an audience. So you don't have to use all these crazy transitions. Some people use them nowadays, and I mean it's okay. That's their style, but that's not my style to use all these crazy transitions, and your video will be all over the place. And I wanted to get straight to the point, be able to tell a story without having all this extraness in it. But it's good. Trust me, I'm extra, so it's good to have some extra stuff going on in your videos. All right, but the next thing, I would say not enough batteries. I didn't have enough batteries. Just using one battery and that was it. I didn't know anything about it. Your battery going, I don't know how long your battery's going to last. I just used to record and wait till it dies. When it dies, that's it. But that's when I wasn't, really making any money off of it. But now, I make sure I have enough batteries. And the last thing, I didn't make a shot list. I didn't have a plan for what I was doing. I just used to shoot. Just shoot different angles, and I'm like, I just put together when I get into post, and didn't know anything about post or anything really what was called back then. But yeah, I just used to get footage and put it together. It didn't make sense, but that's what I started. You had to start somewhere. Anything you do, you have to start somewhere. You're gonna look crazy for a minute, and stuff might, don't go the way you want to. Sometimes it still happens, as today, where I am today. Is some stuff like, okay, why did I do that? Let's do it this way. But but it's all a work in progress. So like I said, man, this channel is about growth, man. I want to grow, and I want you guys to grow with me. I'm be very transparent as possible. Sometimes I might be fumbling everywhere and just be talking. That's why I have my board now, where I can see and make sure I'm on track. And still, sometimes I just love to talk, just to talk to you guys, man. But yeah, that's some mistakes I made as a beginner videographer. All right, you guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, man, make sure you do this. do so this time, man. And I would love to support you guys, man. So let me know about your channel, man. Drop it in the comment. I'll be sure to follow you guys, man. And subscribe to your channel. Matter of fact. All right, you guys. Let's support each other, man. Let's get this together, man, and encourage each other. We got to beat each other up, man. All right. God bless, man. Until next time. Peace.